How's it going, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best home security systems in 2022. I've made this list based on ease of use, performance, and additional security features. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget-friendly model with all the essential features or the highest quality system you can get, we'll have the best home security system for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for a home security system that offers solid performance, decent video quality, and impressive coverage for an affordable price, the Wyze Home Monitoring is an excellent budget home security system to consider. Many home security systems offer a convenient way to monitor your home, but the Wyze Home Monitoring system stands out because of its affordable price and useful companion app. The core starter kit comes with a keypad, 2 contact sensors, a motion sensor, a quick start guide, 2 window decals, and a Wyze Sense hub. The hub is compact and has 2 3-inch folding antennas to increase the signal range, an Ethernet port, a reset button, and built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios for wireless connections. It has a rechargeable backup battery that's rated to last up to 10 hours, while each other component runs on AAA or AA batteries. It also supports Google Assistant and Alexa voice commands and can be integrated with other Wyze devices, although it currently lacks support for IFTTT applets and Apple HomeKit. The Wyze Companion app is another useful feature, and it allows you to add up to 100 additional sensors, view recordings by date, and configure settings for each sensor. Overall, the system works well, and it automatically records crisp video when triggered, sends prompt push alerts, and detects motion within a 120-degree field of vision from the sensor, which is ideal for beginners and provides solid coverage of your home. Unfortunately, Wyze uses the Noonlight professional monitoring service, which costs $4.99 a month, but it's more affordable compared to competitors and offers additional features such as unlimited video length, unlimited triggers, and person, vehicle, and package detection. While it doesn't quite offer the same high-quality performance as the Vivint smart home system we'll talk about later, it still delivers solid protection considering the affordable price. It offers some voice assistant support, a stable wireless connection, and it's the ideal option if you want some peace of mind at a budget-friendly price. For anyone who wants a system that has a built-in siren, real-time notifications, and comparable monitoring to some premium models, the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit is a great DIY home security system for the money. With a wide range of cameras, sensors, and an inexpensive professional monitoring plan, the Ring Alarm is an excellent option if you want solid recording quality, versatile modes, and easy DIY setup without breaking the bank. It comes with a base station to connect, 1 keypad, multiple contact sensors, 1 motion detector, 1 range extender, and around 1,000 square feet of coverage, which makes it an ideal fit for apartments or smaller homes. You can also upgrade to the Ring Alarm Pro security system for more comprehensive monitoring, although it costs a bit more money. I think the intuitive setup process is a standout feature, and it comes with everything required for installation. Even more, it's compatible with Alexa voice commands for hands-free control, although it doesn't support Google Assistant. The system offers real-time notifications and excellent overall performance considering the price, and it offers an away mode that activates all sensors, a home mode that disables the interior sensors, and a disarm mode that deactivates all sensors for when the entire family's at home. It also has a loud 105 decibel siren that's activated whenever a sensor is triggered to ward off potential intruders, which is louder than the more expensive Abode Smart Security Kit. You get a useful app that allows you to monitor the system yourself, and unlike competitors, it has the Ring Neighborhood feature to stay aware of what's happening in your community. You can also get the Ring Protect Plus plan for $10 a month. The Ring Alarm 8-piece kit isn't the best home security system on the market, but it offers a lot of useful features to keep you safe, such as the siren, an affordable monthly monitoring plan, and solid overall performance. If you're looking for a system that offers a great selection of cameras and video doorbells, easy setup, and some smart home integration, this might be the ideal choice for you. Some people might want a system that performs well and can integrate into most smart home ecosystems. The Abode Smart Security Kit is my choice as the best smart home security system in 2022. Abode offers a robust, full-featured DIY home security system with the option of no monthly plan to save on recurring costs. It's easy to use and install, compatible with most devices, and can reliably secure your home. The system is comprised of a base station camera, a door or window sensor for movement, and a key fob that allows you to control the system. You can add up to 160 additional devices depending on your coverage requirements, which makes it a great choice for nearly any home, although additional components can be expensive. Unlike the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, it offers a range of connectivity options and supports Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT applets, Apple HomeKit, and it's compatible with several third-party devices, so it can easily be integrated into most smart home ecosystems. The camera captures video at 1080p and offers an impressive 157-degree field of vision, so you get a crisp, clear picture with good colors and comprehensive visual coverage to stay aware of your surroundings. It also has an array of infrared LED lights that deliver a solid monochromatic picture in low-light environments. Overall, it offers stellar performance, immediate feedback when motion sensors are triggered, a built-in 93 decibel siren, and different modes for when you're at home or away. Unfortunately, it doesn't offer free cloud-based storage like some models, but it offers several flexible on-demand monitoring and video storage plans to fit your budget and free local storage if you self-monitor your system. While it doesn't have the coverage of the more expensive Vivint Smart Home, it's still an ideal option for nearly any home. It delivers impressive daytime video, solid low-light recordings, a loud siren to ward off intruders, and it has flexible storage plans. If you're looking for a system that can easily be integrated with your other smart devices and doesn't sacrifice performance, this might be your best bet. Now, for anyone who wants the system with the best blend of performance, accurate motion detection, and emergency service support, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system is my choice as the best overall system in 2022. The SimpliSafe home security system is easy to install, easy to use, has flexible plans, and it's a great choice if you want a DIY home security system that provides comprehensive coverage for a reasonable price. You get a touch-sensitive keypad, 4 entry sensors for your doors and windows, a motion sensor, a panic button that instantly triggers the alarm and dispatches the police, and a base station with a built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi radio for more stable connections. The base also comes with a 24-hour battery backup and a free cellular connection to their monitoring service, so you can stay protected even if the power goes out. You get support for Alexa and Google Assistant, and it can easily be paired with Nest thermostats, although it lacks the compatibility of the Abode system. The system is easy to disarm and only has 3 modes: an off mode, an away mode to activate the sensors and alerts, and a home mode that enables some sensors but deactivates motion detection. Each sensor is reliable, and the motion detector sensor can accurately distinguish between people and smaller pets. I like that the SimpliSafe directly calls you if an alarm is tripped, and they'll immediately send emergency responders if you fail to provide your pre-specified safe word for added protection. They also offer flexible surveillance plans to fit your budget, including a no monthly fee option if you only want an alarm to sound but don't need 24/7 monitoring. While it doesn't offer the same compatibility as the Abode system, it utilizes higher quality components, has more accurate notifications, and better overall performance. If you're in the market for an easy-to-use system that doesn't lock you into a contract and can reliably protect your home, this might be worth considering. If you're looking for a security system that can cover your entire home, capture crisp footage, integrate with third-party devices, and accurately track motion, the Vivint Smart Home is my choice as the best full home security monitoring service in 2022. The Vivint Smart Home is a feature-rich, wireless home security system that gives you comprehensive home protection, professional installation, and some home automation capabilities. The Smart Hub is the control center, and it comes with a 7-inch full-color touchscreen that allows you to view recorded video, adjust settings, assign or edit user codes, arm or disarm the system, and more, but you can't currently customize alarm sounds. It's also compatible with Google Home and Alexa ecosystems, several third-party devices, and Vivint's other products, including sensors, cameras, and thermostats to provide full home coverage and home automation capabilities. I also like that they offer professional installation and system configuration, so you can be sure your system is properly installed and connected. Unfortunately, you'll need to purchase a monthly subscription for remote access, but you get 24/7 monitoring, alert notifications, 14 days of video storage, an expanded warranty, and full app functionality, or you can self-monitor if you don't require advanced features. The companion app offers several useful features, such as remote control over your system, live video feeds, and several customizable settings or routines. Overall, the system's performance is high quality, and it offers responsive sensors, speedy event responses from emergency services, accurate motion tracking, and crystal clear recordings with HDR support if you opt to include any of the cameras. While it's more expensive than other solid options like the Abode Smart Security Kit, it delivers class-leading performance, an app that allows you to customize your system, solid smart home support, and speedy event responses. This is a great option for homeowners who won't move the components around, if you want a convenient system that can be controlled remotely from your phone, or if you don't mind spending money on the best system available. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.